Alrighty, on our way up to Listowel with this ass hat.
Much obliged.
Oh, looks like school's out. All the men are knights. Huh? Dig it.
Hiya. Still recording?
Yep.
Nice. Oof.
Stand installed.
Oof. Here we have a very nice Polaris. Maybe if you're lucky, I will take the cover off for you later. Ow. You know, I used to always have a problem getting this damn stand on their bike by myself. Ever since I bought this hoist, no problem. So for the cost of $8,000, you'll never have to lift the damn thing by yourself again.
We'll take care of the rest.
Yeehaw! Alright, what's step number 1 here?
Next time I'm just gonna hook it up right to this line right here, I think.
I think that's the structural.
That's the lift line, the
anchor.
hoisting line.
Anchor point, yeah. I just usually go off of this thing right here.
What I could actually do though. First step.
Yeah, it looks good.
Yeah. Alright, we're ready to bike, man.
Feller's got his mess of bolts.
This fucking bike, man. Don't ever buy anything off a guy named Tyrus. No.
How do you rate your experience so far?
Horrible. I'm selling this fucking piece of shit and I'm buying a Honda.
Ooh, them's fighting words.
Electrical tape is for.
Here's mine. I got mine out already.
Oh, look at me. I got all my shit done. I'm a fucking keener.
Well, did a couple minor adjustments to the old YZ. But I was way too excited to get on it, so I totally forgot to turn the camera on. But seems like it's running pretty good, so we'll see when we take it out. Tyler's basically in the exact same spot he was last time.
A stupid piece of fucking shit.
Motocross model.
That's a dirt bike.
Yeah.
For dirt. Like if you pull them on, put them on cement, they lock up.
Honestly, you should just pull these things off. They're gonna be so annoying. Shit, they torqued that on there. Excuse me. You can't break them. These are made out of the fingernails of those Indian guys with the Guinness World Record. That's what that is.
Well, I wish this carb wasn't pissing me off so much. Gasket number 2.
Alright, little shop update here. Yeah, the screw's supposed to... Uh-oh. Anyways, carb is back together. Put all the new jets and gaskets and all that in. Yeah, definitely.
Driveway.
Yeah.
Look, unless you want to buy some after go to nowhere, we're like, hey man, you want to buy some aftermarket asparagus?
Asparagus.
Which did it starter cost? $170. Non-refundable.
You mean not refundable once it's on the bike?
No, they won't take parts back. Wrong fucking part, and they make you pay up front.
Yeah.
They won't order a part unless you pay for it.
Is that what he said?
Yeah, and then he was.
What happens if it's the wrong part?
Yeah, when you ordered the wheel bearing, I said, well, I paid for this, you're giving me my fucking money back for that.
Yeah.
In the fuck would I order a Suzuki wheel bearing kit if I have a fucking Yamaha?
You're supposed to have a little cap.
Well, that's a good point. No shit. I'm just gonna put this in now.
Yeah, there he goes.
Up and down the street. You're going too fast in the family neighborhood. He's like, it sounds like I'm going a lot faster than I actually am.
It does.
Oh, okay.
there's
Some old lady.
no way I was breaking 50. No.
Okay, whoa. Cable's gotta go back numbers. I just want to compress, man.
Decompress.
I don't care. Just give me.
Did somebody order the
Back in here, buddy.
we're gonna be ordering 2 goddamn
Oh, hello, Duca Chibi. To the habanero chili.
Yeah. Alright, stir it up, Poncho. Oh, you're gonna wanna.
fuel.
You're gonna need the gas tank to do that. Oh, she's full. Yeah, she's really full, bud.
Need a collapsible telescopic right angle flat screwdriver
With a camera on it.
Yeah, that does.
This thing is too far.
Yeah, but now I'm dodging potholes.
Movies, action shots. Oh, I'm seeing like those dudes that just go in the parking lots and be like, "Hey, can I take a video of you?"
Can I ask you what you do for a living?
Dude, it's just a clamp.
Well, it's not going on.
Yeah, because you went too far. Those things, they're optional anyways. You really don't need them. Like, where's it gonna go? Where's it gonna go?
They're not gonna know.
They're gonna know. Oh, we're not leaving quite yet.
With him, yeah, I know.
Well, we're back. I forgot to videotape any of the unloading, but we're finished unloading all the bikes, and now I'm just hanging out watching Ashley stand.